Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to stop unwanted sites open automatically in Google Chrome. It will fix. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just open Chrome browser. So I just have some browsing option over here. So once I open a Google browser, automatically the tabs will be opening on the top. So as you see here, so YouTube and Instagram will be open automatically where I left it to open there. So how to stop this option? So how to fix this problem? So how to stop unwanted sites will be open while I browse any types of information? What I have to do here? So on top you will find an option called three dots in your right hand side in your Google Chrome. Just hit the button, just go to settings option. Once you click a settings option, there will be plenty of settings will be available in Chrome. In your left hand side you will find an option called on startup. Just hit the button on startup. There will be a open the new tab page, continue where you left, and open specific page setup. So there are plenty of pages where specifically set up in my Chrome browser. That's why while I open the browser, automatically it will show like everything will be open automatically. So as you see here, so what I have to do here, so just click here for open new tab page. So your setup will be perfectly alright. So now you should not use continue where you left off or open specific page. Just hit the button open the new tab page. Once you give this option, automatically the setup will be added in your laptop as well as your Chrome browser. So once you close this option, just open the Chrome browser and just browse the means, browse your things means there will be a plain tab will be open here. As you see, you are the witness. So this is a plain tab is open there. So previous it was three tabs is open because we set up that option. So it is a easy to clean your browser and you can have access with a particular new browsing option. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.